Okay, this is a general setting available in autotrack to allow the user basically to create a shortcut. Example is a shortcut, new shortcut in autotrack. So what you need to do, for example, we go to the one of the page, hamburger, for example, setup, and then halfway transaction. This is just an example. Okay, so what you can see, there is a pin icon here. Okay, the function of this icon basically to allow the user to so-called pin this page shortcut directly into the main page here. So you have two main pages. So again, we come back to the setup of a transaction. We click the pin. Okay, the system will prompt you an icon. So you select a JPEG icon or PNG icon. It opens. After that, click confirm. Okay, when you're done, you go back to the main menu. Second page, because we have too many shortcuts. I see. The temp edit view is appearing here. So when you click, we bring you to this halfway transaction view. That's it.